During our family road trip to Sequoia National Park, our dash cam captured a few unforgettable moments. We expected towering giant sequoias and beautiful mountain roads, but we didn't expect to meet wildlife this close. As we slowly drove through the park, a deer quietly stepped onto the road. It wasn't frightened at all. For a few seconds, we simply stopped and admired how peaceful the moment was.
Oh dear! The deer! Video call?
Wait, let it cross,
Video?
Moments like these remind us that we're visitors in their home. Slowing down gave us the chance to appreciate the wildlife without disturbing it. Later that evening, another deer appeared while we were driving back after sunset. The road was much darker, making us even more thankful that we were driving carefully.
Oh dear! Deer! Take picture car! Quick!
Wait, it's not.
Yeah, wait.
Driving at night requires extra attention. Wildlife can appear with little warning, especially in national parks. As if the wildlife encounters weren't memorable enough, our dash cam also captured what looked like a shooting star. It's moments like these that remind us why we love exploring places like Sequoia National Park. You never know what you'll discover around the next bend or above the next horizon.
Whoa!
What's that?
I just saw a shooting star. Yeah.
Oh.
It was like super fast and then it just disappeared.
Thanks for joining us on this journey through Sequoia National Park. If you enjoy California road trips, wildlife encounters, and travel adventures, consider subscribing for more videos from Marvin on the Move. We'll see you on the next adventure.